Another day, another pumpkin cream cold brew failure. Hello, Monday PD day.
$6.95 at the window, please.
Thank you. Okay, so 12 o'clock, we finished with our district kickoff. So basically they sponsor our breakfast. Then they have a motivational speaker for an hour. And then we talk about the district scorecards and the finances and the buildings and all sorts of kind of not very exciting things. One good thing though was they did give us a cup with the district's logo on it, but the straw is what I'm really excited about. I think I'll give the cup to Dan and I'll just keep the straw for myself. And then we had lunch, so that's food trucks. I think there was like 6 different food trucks they have lined up out there. But now I'm in line at Caribou getting the pumpkin white mocha cooler, and then I will be headed off to school. So I've been working on my IP at a glances today, and so I really did nothing that was filmable content because obviously that's confidential. And then my parents were basically just cutting the laminate the entire time after lunch. So not very exciting. We'll catch you tomorrow. Off to home to change, eat some dinner, and then go to Walmart. Shutting the door so we can be productive human beings. Hello, happy Tuesday. Starting the day off at my school the entire day. No meetings, no PD, nothing. Just me and my classroom getting things done. That's how I like it on a PD flex day is what they're calling it. So I have safe schools training to do, but I'm planning on running those on the smartboard since my paras are at a different training at a different school. So they won't have to listen to the same trainings that they're going to end up having to do anyways. So I'm gonna have those playing on the smartboard. We basically finished the cutting pile yesterday, and now it's just a matter of like putting things in the binder, putting it up in the board. I have to work at Walmart tonight, and this is the last like non-Friday that I'm working at Walmart for a long time now, so I can get my life together at the moving and the new house situation. So my plan is Wednesday to film a ULS, like how I prep it, how I teach it kind of video. And then Thursday do my classroom tour, because Thursday is a meet the teacher and Friday is a meet the teacher. So then everything will be beautiful for that, hopefully. School stuff is on sale at Walmart, so I picked this up for $2. I already have another one from last year. It's just a different purple, which is fine. That stays over in the calm down area. And this one I'm gonna put over here in my math talk board area to store extra 10 frames that we aren't using. I'm gonna have my tallies for like how many days it is. So if it's day 10, there'll be 2 5s. And then I'll have the students' individual whiteboards be in here. The students that'll be doing it have fine motor struggles. So I'm gonna only have them add 1 tally a day. Whereas if they didn't have fine motor struggles, I would make them redo it every day for the practice. And then this was also on clearance for $3. And so some of you heard me complaining about how that pocket chart has little stains on it. I'm gonna open this up and see how big this is compared to that, and then see like if I want to switch it out now or wait until that one gets a little bit grosser with the random stains that are on it. Pumpkin cream cold brew adventures continue. It wasn't correct, but it's better than it was yesterday. Still no cupboards over in that area, so the pile is still here. So for lunch, we've got the peppers that I cut up a couple days ago. Those strawberries are on their last leg, so I'm gonna eat those. I have a yogurt left over from a couple days ago, which is brewed with the best Alani New ever, and then a whole pile of blueberries. And then we've also got my water. These are the Ritz chips, the vegetable flavor, my personal favorite. I did find an autumn coloring book, so that'll go in there. And then I actually brought SpaghettiOs. We've used the actual oven portion of the oven, but not the stovetop version, so I just wanted to try that out. There's an Amazon package sitting here, so it might be from a parent who bought something off of my wish list, so let's open that up and see. So we've got scissor skills. I'll actually make copies of this for the first week, because I was hoping someone would get me this. Oh, the little silicone cupcake liners, so we don't have to waste liners. Oh, it's not from a parent. It's it says have a great school year. I believe the potholder parent cupcake pan I ordered for you may be shipping separately from a retired teacher, Karen in Iowa. Thank you, Karen. Okay, so we'll have more mail to look forward to. My hair is a disaster. On days where there's like nobody that has to look at me, I like to let it air dry before I deal with it. Outfit of the day, teach, create, motivate, little sweatshirt situation. I love these shorts from Walmart because they have the built-in liner. Perfect little yoga shorts too, and Birkenstocks. Hooray, hooray. Let's go start the day with some safe schools. So I like this pocket chart better than that one, but I like the months and the symbols on that one better than this one, purely because if we had to have a second language here, it'd be Hmong, so Spanish isn't really applicable here. So I took the old one down. I'm gonna put some white up and see what I like. Okay, so a mix of the old pocket chart and a mix of the new pocket chart. And then I cut off all of the Spanish words off the bottom because there's no students at my school that speak Spanish. I'll make an example one of Barbie too, so you can see everything that I include. But basically, every special teacher, every grade level teacher, I keep one in here for my aides to look at, or if I have a sub. But I'll go hand these out. So then, obviously, there'd be a lot more for fine motor, reading, and math, social skills, depending on the kid. But you know, Barbie, she doesn't need much assistance. Today was such a boring day. I honestly just sat here in this chair completing my safe schools, and I'm still not done. We have so many to do. The one I just finished up was like mandatory child like abuse reporting. It was an hour and a half just finishing up my peppers, and then I'm gonna get out of here, go home, and go to Walmart. I just made a little simple caramel macchiato today. Happy Thursday, y'all. Whenever I'm over here, Cheyenne thinks she's getting something because I have the caramel sitting on, well, this is actually a cat treat tray. So she thinks that she's entitled to something, but really it's because this caramel just gets so icky and leaky when it's hot out. And so we have 2 Meet the Teachers. Kids are here from 5 to 7 tonight, and then 8 to noon tomorrow. And between those 2 days, we just have to work 16 hours and be here when the kids are here for that entire time. So I really don't have much to do, and that's a good thing. This area looks so good. It makes me so happy. I just have the coloring sheets I'm gonna put out for the kids to use today, and then I have to clean that up. I was doing the video from yesterday's ULS board, and I took that out. My floors are dirty though. I'm hoping they'll come in and sweep. It's been a long time, I think, since someone swept in here. And shocking, I've got a pile that I've been working on. I've got the coloring pile, the Velcro pile. That's the social skills we're doing next week. I've got my food pile. And there's the coffee. Over here, we're working on the News to You board. And that's what we are cutting out. School next week. I'm excited. We've got 2 packages here. Let's open them up and see what they are, who they're from. Karen in Iowa. Here's the rest of the pot holders and the little cupcake tins that she sent. Thank you so much. My students are gonna love these. Cupcakes are such a hit. And here's our setup for Meet the Teacher. We've got the candy, we've got the helicopters for the kids. Oh, I need my sign. Coloring for them to do if their parents want to talk to me. I'm just gonna sit over here and be working. I have 9, maybe 1 that might be an open enrollment that might come to see me. I don't have their IEP or anything, but I've heard rumors I might be getting another student, which is fine. We're ready. Meet the Teacher for SPED though is like so different. Other classrooms, like they're getting to know them. They need to have folders and name tags and procedures and field trip forms and party signups and school supply sorting, and I don't have to do anything like that, especially because all my students but 1 I know already. I'm old news. It's nothing new. I'm just happy that they come and see me. So Meet the Teacher is actually a very low-key event for us, and we have 2 different days and times that the students can come, and we don't require like a presentation or anything. It's purely just come, meet us, check out the classroom, sign these forms, and then you're on your way. Picture day is tomorrow though. So basically, I'm gonna go eat some food and I'm gonna change, and then we're gonna get this Meet the Teacher day started, afternoon. Chips, I swear my 7th cookie of the day. A little lunch. just filling these out while I wait for someone to talk to me. Open house today. There's a lady here giving free haircuts and putting in little bits of hair tinsel for everyone. So of course I had to get some. Been a good day.